Time now for Futures in Focus. Precious metals celebrating the CPI miss. Perhaps oil is headed for its biggest weekly gain since September. Joining us from the CME to discuss is Dan Deming, Managing Director at KKM Financial. It's maybe a little odd to say celebrating since it was a miss on the inflation data, Dan, but is that why gold is above $1,300 an ounce now?
Yeah, definitely. I think, Vonnie, as you saw the reaction when those numbers came out, we saw gold pop about $10 from the $1,295 level to now the $1,304 level. So it does appear to be a reaction, a repricing based on the fact that we're seeing a weaker dollar.
Do we stay above $1,300? That'd be quite psychologically influential.
It could be, yeah, and I think you're seeing some support there at the $1,275 level. We're seeing a short-term trend higher now in gold, and if we continue to see further weakness in the U.S. dollar, even moderation, it does appear that gold has got a bid underneath it now that it's broken back above 1,300.
We certainly saw yields drop. So is this something that will continue through next week, or is it a Friday the 13th sort of vibe?
Yeah, it could be a Friday the 13th thing. I don't know. But, yeah, we're seeing a hesitation here in yields, and expectations were that yields were going to continue to move higher. So this is a little hiccup here, and that's why I think you're seeing a repricing in the gold market.
Okay. Talk to us a little bit about the dollar. We saw some consolidation, and now maybe it's a little directionless. Would you say that there is a direction there, that it's lower, or that it's still feeling out the environment?
I think it's still trying to figure out the environment. I think you're seeing a momentum shift here just for today, but overall the trend has been higher for the dollar because your interest rate expectations have been increasing as well. So right now we're seeing that being called into question a little bit with these numbers coming out this morning. I'm not sure if this is going to be a shift in the trend. Right now it just feels like a short-term shift given the fact that the expectations now have been changed somewhat given the fact that we're seeing a little weakness in the retail sales and PPI and CPI.